Rolling down the road in a rig that's fine, diesel dreams and a sunshine mind. Got a map in her hand and a pup by her side. You blink, she's already on the other side. She's got sweet tea in a cup, a playlist full of turn it up. She parts where the wild things roam. Her house, oh honey, it's got wheels, not chrome. Who's Charlie Grace? She sets on the go with a camper van, heart, and a camera to show. Sunset chaser, trailblazer, queen of the quirky RV show. She's the one with the giggles and gear, living brave, not basic. Let's make that clear. From lakes to dunes, every place is her stage. Get ready, world. This is Charlie Grace. She's got campfire skills and lipstick pop. Knows where to boondock and where to shop. Talks pet-friendly parks and solo hacks. Ain't no map that's got her tracks. From desert scenes to mountain chill, she'll climb that peak just for the thrill. Vlogging, vibing too, and always saying you can do this too. Who's Charlie Grace? She's wild and sweet, with dusty boots and fast tapping feet. Solo van queen, bold and bright. She's got that Wonder Woman light. She's a joy in your travel feed. Van light, magic, meet and greet. From dawn to dusk, every mile is grace. That's who she is, Charlie Grace. So if you see her rolling by with a wave and a wink in her eye, ask her story, she might just share, or point to the sky and say, I'm already there. Yeah, Charlie Grace, she's got the spark, lighting the trails from dawn till dark. Living loud, living kind, with a laugh, a tail wag, and a fearless mind. Pack your dreams and hit the road. There's room for more in her zip code. Adventure call for the cheeky face. Say hey now, that's Charlie Grace.